Good morning, children. Welcome back to our geography class. In the chapter Air, in the previous class, we have discussed about what is temperature, air pressure, what is the weather and climate, how does those affect on such areas, some areas we have discussed. Those who did not see those videos, I'm going to give you the videos link below the video today. Okay? So please watch them and understand. Now, at the end of today's class, you'll be able to learn about the wind and types of winds and also moisture. Okay, let's go ahead. Children, as you all know that the wind always moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. So, the movement of air from the high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. Sometimes we can see a gentle wind at work, so it blows the dry leaves on the pavement, or sometimes it moves the leaves or branches of the trees, or sometimes the strong winds which uproots the trees during a storm. Okay, at times we can see the strong wind, it is difficult to walk against it. At times wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it, children. Have you experienced such holding an umbrella on a windy day? Yes, I think so. So, winds are broadly classified or categorized into three types. Winds, permanent winds or planetary winds, seasonal winds and local winds. I repeat, permanent winds are planetary winds, seasonal winds and local winds. So, let's see them in detail. Children, let's have a look at the pressure belts on the Earth's surface. Yes, there are some permanent winds that blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. As you all know that the winds blow from the high pressure belts to low pressure belts. Here you can see in the North Polar and South Polar regions, there they have high pressure. Okay, so the winds from that place always tries to blow over the low pressure regions of the equatorial region. Okay. That's what. So these winds are called permanent winds. So examples for such winds are trade winds, westerlies and easterlies. Trade winds, they blow continuously in the year, and westerlies, they blow towards the west side, easterlies, they blow towards east side. So these are the three types of winds which blow permanently throughout the year. That's why they are called permanent winds or planetary winds. And the second winds are seasonal winds. There are some winds that change their direction in different seasons. These are known as seasonal winds. You can see here, children, the monsoon winds that blow over India is an example of seasonal winds. Now comes to the local winds. The winds blowing only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area and are known as local winds. The local winds, they blow only during a particular period of the day or in a year in a small area, not in a large area. So such winds are called local winds. So land and sea breeze are an example of this local winds. And one more example for this local winds are, let us recollect the hot and dry winds that blow in the northern plains of India. Got it, children? That is Loo. What's that? Loo. Loo is the name of the hot and dry local winds which blows over the Rajasthan throughout the northern plains of India in the summer. Okay.